Hello guys, and today I want to discuss which platform should you choose for game development. For the most of us, the choice is between the smartphones and computers. We will compare both of them and then decide which is the best for you. Okay, let's begin with Android development and see which are disadvantages and advantages this platform got. And the biggest advantage for using the mobile development is of course the speed of development. Most of the mobile games doesn't require a lot of effort from you, and you can even do some pretty basic games like Tycoon or Idle Running. Those games doesn't require a lot of complicated mechanics. You just need to make it as simple as possible. And that's really good when you want to make your game very fast and without any worries. But the biggest disadvantage for mobile game development is of course the great games. What I mean by that is when you've made a really great game, it is really hard to get the community from it. Most of the players are just installing the game, having some fun for like 1 or 2 hours and then delete the game and forget everything about it. Not only that, but the monetization from ads is really weak. For example, if you want to make, I don't know, $100 from Unity ads, then you probably need more than 20,000 impressions and views for the ads. That's just insane. And since we don't have an audience, then it's pretty hard to get a stable income. When you're making a mobile game, it's a great way to understand your own game engine, but everything else is kinda tough. If you want to make your game very quick and so that every other people can play it, then you should focus on mobile development. Mobile platforms gives you a massive push at the beginning, but then it's really hard to get a loyal audience. Okay, so now we are gonna discuss about making the games for the computers. Unlike Google Play, you cannot just publish your game on Steam and then hope that Steam will automatically find the gamers for you, and you will have to market your game all by yourself. Also, you have to know that you cannot make some garbage games like Idle Running or Tycoon, because if you make a game without any unique features, then your game will be lost on the Steam store page. If you are developing a computer game, then you should focus more on quality rather than quantity. But here comes the greatest advantage for computer side, and that's the community. Because even if you publish one simple but great game, there's a high chance that you will get yourself a really loyal community. Those people will follow you, they will show your bugs and then give you some ideas for the game. And trust me, this community will be better than the people from the mobile game. Keep in mind that there are a lot of indie Steam games which made over $1 million. That's just really big amount of money. Okay, so let's make a conclusion about both of the platforms. Mobile games doesn't require a lot of hard work, but they suck at everything else. On the other hand, the computer games require significant amount of work to do. But if you do at least one great game, then your game dev career will get really massive boost. Personally, I would firstly recommend you to make a really simple game on mobile, and then when you got a lot of experience with your game engine, then you should focus on the computers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. See you later.